For years I thought, I'm not going to put hearing aids on, but look at where I'm at. Best thing that ever happened in my life.
One time I was sitting there and I had a friend next to me and I kept on hearing something and shaking my hand and head. What was that noise? And my friend next to me just laughing away, and I'm like, what is that? She's like, it's a fly flying right by you. I'm like, flies make noise? I thought only bees do. And we were just laughing. It was the best sound ever, and that's when I realized that how much I was missing out in life.
When I got in my car, I turned on my turn signals to turn left, and I did not know I could actually hear my turn signals. And I had to turn down the volume on my radio, and I was so much more aware of my surroundings at that point. I actually rolled down the windows in my car so I could hear outside. It was just a terrific, terrific moment.
The other day, the children were laughing and playing half a block away, and I could hear that tummy giggle just as though they were right next to me. And I thought, oh boy, that is such a blessing.